What is backlink? What is a backlink in SEO? What are backlinks in SEO and what are the advantages of backlinks? A backlink is simply a link from one website to another. Search engines like Google use backlink as a ranking signal because when one website links to another, it means they believe the content is noteworthy. High-quality backlinks can help to increase a site's ranking position and visibility in search engine results (SEO). How do backlinks work? Backlinks are links on one website that, when clicked, take the user to another site. Why are they so important and why you need them and how you can get them? Stay tuned to the end of the video where I give you a bonus surprise. A backlink is one of the most used words in the world of search engine optimization (SEO). Many bloggers, channels owners who have only recently started a blog channel or a website often struggle to understand what the term backlink means. In this video, I hope to offer you an understanding of what backlinks are, why they are essential to SEO, and why they are important for your online success. You'll also learn how to analyze the backlinks of your competitors, and how to acquire them for your channel. Let's get started. When a web page links to any other page, it's called a backlink. In the past, backlinks were the major metric for the ranking of a web page. Today many other factors are in consideration like SS, social signal and many others. A page with a lot of backlinks tended to rank higher on all major search engines, including Google. This is still true to a large extent. Backlinks can be in the form of an image as well as text. If a link is an image, the anchor link text is the alt tag of the image. The definition of a backlink is a link from one website to another, or from one page to another. In most cases, when talking about backlinks, a backlink is a link from another site to your site. In many cases, it is a link in another website pointing to your channel. Backlinks are also known by a few different names, including hyperlinks, incoming links, inbound links, or just links. Above is an example of a backlink that we received from a repeater on the website youtuberepeater.com. On the page, the text "Content Creator" is a link that points to the home of our channel. That link is an outgoing link for youtuberepeater.com, but for our channel, it is an incoming link or backlink. Usually, linked text, sometimes referred to as anchor text or many other forms like videos, FB, Twitter, Reddit, etc., is styled differently than the rest of the page text for easy identification. Often linked text will be a different color, underlined, or accompanied by an icon. Is there not used video involved? All of these indicate that if you click a piece of linked text, you'll be taken to the channel the text is referencing. Backlinks are important for several reasons. The quality and quantity of pages linking to your channel are some of the criteria used by search engines like Google to determine your ranking on their search engine results pages, SERPs. The higher you rank on a SERP, the better for your channel, as people tend to click on the first few search results Google, Bing or another search engine generates in response to a search. But why do search engines care about backlinks? Well, in the early days of the internet, search engines were very simple and relied strictly on keyword matching. It didn't matter how good the content on a website was, how popular it was, or what the website was for. If a phrase on a page matched a phrase that someone searched for, then that page would likely show up in the SERPs. That meant that if someone had an online journal in which they discussed at length how they had to take their car to a car repair shop, then people searching for a car repair shop would likely be led to that page. But that isn't useful for anyone trying to find a repair shop, right? Well, to make things worse, website owners quickly realized they could exploit this weakness by resorting to keyword stuffing, a practice that involved creating websites with massive lists of keywords, plastered with banner ads. These websites existed for no other reason than to generate ad revenue. As an example, adfocus.com is a service that offers ads to many people with the need for downloading and then they display banners ads. Many make money with this kind of service, inclusive Google promotes their Chrome browser with them. This made search engines largely worthless and weakened the usefulness of the internet as a whole. But the service is still alive and will continue serving the community. So, how could this problem be fixed? So you don't end in a page that you are not looking for. Google was born out of the idea of quantifying the value of backlinks. Back in the 90s, two students at Stanford named Larry Page and Sergey Brin started pondering how they could make a better search engine that didn't get fooled by keyword stuffing. They realized that if you could measure the popularity of each website on the web and then cross-index that with what each website was about, you could build a much more useful search engine. In 1998, they published a scientific paper in which they introduced the concept of PageRank. This topic was further explored in another paper that Brin and Page contributed to, PageRank Citation Ranking, Bringing Order to the Web. But PageRank changed everything. PageRank was the product of two assumptions. If lots of websites all link to one website, then that one website is probably very good. The more backlinks pointing to a website, the better it must be. Not all websites are equal. Would you rather have a link from a 14-year-old's blog or the front page of CNN or Fox News? Powerful websites likely won't link to poor quality websites. Thus, a link from such authoritative websites means that the link to site is very good. So here it is where DA, domain authority, plays a major role. So how DA is measured? Moz is a software-as-a-service company based in Seattle that sells inbound marketing and marketing analytics software subscriptions. It was founded by Rand Fishkin and Jillian Muessig in 2004 as a consulting firm and shifted to SEO software development in 2008. Moz is the company behind the terminology DA. They were the creators of such ranking-based PageRank backlink system. With these assumptions in mind, in the PageRank backlink system each website on the web was assigned a value based upon how many websites linked to it. The ranking factor going from 1 to 100, where 100 is the best one. What is a good domain authority? Generally speaking, sites with a very large number of high-quality external links, such as Wikipedia or Google.com, are at the top end of the domain authority scale. Whereas small businesses and websites with fewer inbound links may have a much lower DA score. Brand new websites will always start with a domain authority score of 1. A website that had thousands of websites linking to it would have a huge score. A website with very few backlinks would have a small score. Why are backlinks important? Backlinks matter for a few reasons, including: backlinks help search engines find and index your content for search results. Backlinks help users explore the web and discover content related to their interests. Backlinks help search engines interpret the quality and authoritativeness of sites and content. The World Wide Web was named as such for a reason. With its series of pages and websites connected by links, it does resemble a web. Links add context and tell the spiders that crawl the internet that there are more pages to be found through the backlinks that exist there. Let's say you have a brand new website, your DA it is equal 1. No one links to it, and you don't submit it to Google either. How do you expect it to be found? You can't. However, if someone links to your site, a search engine spider can crawl through that link, discover your site, and index or make findable your newly created content. This is one reason that backlinks are so important. Without them, search engines won't know that your content is there, nor will users. What are backlinks in SEO and what are the advantages of backlinks? I imagine that at this stage you understand why they are so important. Now the question: how to get backlinks to your website, channel? Getting backlinks to your channel isn't always quite as simple as creating content or doing something newsworthy and waiting for the links to roll in. If you are a new channel or are still working on scaling your channel traffic, you'll need to do some work to get backlinks from other sites. Because domain authority is meant to be a predictor of a site's ranking ability. Having a very high DA score shouldn't be your only goal. That's the reason you always see those same channels in the same spot at the top. They have a high ranking DA, and as explained, what Google do? They serve those pages or channels with high DA. It doesn't matter if your channel or web has a better explanation or video for the same search result. It is who you are, how trustable are you, and that is measured with DA ranking. So getting backlinks for those web with high DA will help your channel rank on the first page. The best way to influence the domain authority metric is to improve your overall SEO. In particular, you should focus on your link profile by getting more links from other well-linked to pages. For more in the subject, you can visit the Moz.com link will be in the description. How to get backlinks to your channel? Here are a few easy ways that you can gain links to your site. Set up Google Alerts for your brand or business name. If you know some company, website owner that doesn't include a link, send a friendly email asking for one. Find a website or blog looking for guest contributions from industry experts. If you can write authoritatively about the topic in question, send them a pitch. You can include a link to your website, channel in your author bio, or the body of your contribution, as long as it's relevant. Create your own web blog. Here you can create content that attributes your channel, which can be a powerful backlink if you get the graphic reposted somewhere popular. Link someone else first. This might sound backward, but if you include a link to someone's content or mention them in one of your pages or blog posts, they may notice, become aware of you, and later return the favor. Pitch your content as a solution to 404s. Look for the broken links over the web in your target niche, then email the owner and warning him about the broken link and offer your link to him. It's very important to stay up to date with Google's Webmaster Guidelines when building backlinks. Again, you are the CEO of your destiny. For example, Google previously handed out manual penalties to websites with unnatural outbound link profiles. Learning and know when a website is toxic and can damage your reputation it is a must. Penalties can result in total or partial de-indexing of your content, which is detrimental to organic traffic. Tactics you shouldn't use to get backlinks. Since link building sounds like a lot of work, and it is, and you know that backlinks are important for SEO, you may want to buy backlinks, or use some kind of backlink service to generate and populate these links with software. Is this a good idea? There are two important reasons you should do your link building by hand. Buying links is a violation of Google's Webmaster Guidelines, and may result in your site being penalized and removed from search engine results. When you buy links, you never know what kind of quality you're going to get, which may lead to your website being penalized anyway. This decision is up to anyone. Many indeed use this kind of service, but you can be penalized if they catch you buying backlinks. There are a few ways you can use to generate links that a BBS might do automatically. For example, a free service like Backlink Generators, many options it is out there, but you always need to remember. You never know what kind of quality you're going to get. With this in mind, I have a few websites that can help you with building backlinks. As an example, free YouTube video backlink generator, free.syndicationapp.com. Syndication app was designed to help people rank their video top of search results. The main goal of Syndication app is to serve as an SEO assistant for your YouTube video. I have a few more that I will not link then in the description. If you are interested in those, just reply to channel emails and I will send the download link to you directly. Just include in the subject, Backlink Generator, so I will know what you need. This all for today. If you have any doubt or something that can help this community, please include that in the description below. If you believe you can do it, you are awesome. Need advice on growing your YouTube channel? Want more views and subscribers? Then join our channel. We can grow together. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you next time.